Hello friends, my name is Gaurav. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve array related problems provided by Leetcode. If you haven't watched my old videos related to array, it's recommended to check those videos. The link is in the description. So let's start the today video. Remove duplicates from sorted array. Given an integer array nums sorted to non-decreasing order, remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appear only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. Then return the number of unique elements in nums. Consider the number of unique elements of nums to be k. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. Change the array nums such that the first k elements of nums contains the unique elements in the order they were represented in nums initially. The remaining elements of nums are not important as well as the size of nums. Return k. Let's see the example 1 where we have the input and the output is 2 here. Your function should return k is equal to 2 with the first two elements of the nums being 1 and 2 respectively. It does not matter what you leave beyond the return k, hence they are underscored. So let's see how we're going to solve this problem in C#. We already have a given function called remove duplicates. In this function, first we are going to check if the array is null or empty, in which case there are no unique elements. So let's check if nums is equal to null, or if nums dot length is equal to 0, then it should return 0. Now we initialize the variable called unique count to 1 as the first element is always considered unique. So int unique count is equal to 1. Now we are going to iterate through the array starting from the second element I is equal to 1 and then going to compare the current element with the previous element. If they are not equal, it means we have found the unique element. So we are going to use a for loop. We are going to check if nums of current element at I is not equal to previous element. Then the number is unique. So we are going to move the unique element to the front of the array by assigning it to nums unique count and the increment unique count. So nums of unique count is equal to nums of I and unique count plus plus. After the loop, unique count contains the count of the unique elements and the array nums has been modified to have the unique elements in the front. So after the for loop, we are going to return k. Now let's run the code and see if there's any error or if it's working fine. We have a compiler error. The name k does not exist in the current context. Sorry. The k should not be returned. There is nothing k. It should be written as unique count. So we can see our answer is matched with the expected answer. So we solve this problem. Please try to solve this problem in any other language like C++ or JavaScript, which is supported by Leetcode. Or if you have any other better solution to solve this problem, please enter your code in comment section and I will definitely check and give my hearts if the code works perfectly. I hope you enjoy the video and I will see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed the video, please do like the video and share with your friends. For more interesting videos, please do subscribe the channel.